So sometimes I teasing some of my sort of friend, good scholar and good practitioner, but always look very serious. So I teasing that person. If Dalai Lama, if me carry your sort of more serious face, I think I will find less friends. I always smile, joking, completely informal way. So I found a lot of friends, isn't it? Do you prefer women like this or something like that? You see, I think goodness of human being is our smile. Some monkey may have ability to show smile. Otherwise, most animal, like dog, they are sort of the best way express you see, their friendship is their nail, tail, do like that, and then close the licking. That's the only way. We human being, you see, we have this smile. Very good, very good. I love smile, very good. So sometimes you see, this, including some police, particularly when they with uniform and the gun, a salute, or when I passing through, you see some smiling when I smile, then they also smile because returned away. And then some police with uniform more serious. Then I usually should do this. Because I mean, tickle. And then they smiling. So I love smile. It's much better, much better. Therefore, I totally sort of dislike too much formality. No use formality. When we born, no formality. When we die, no formality. And between there, I had too much formality. No good, no good. And basically we are same human being. So now finally, as I mentioned earlier, we, generation of 20th century, now we experience a lot of suffering. Most of this suffering is our own creation. Now you, 21st century, you see, should change that. That not through prayer, but through action. Action with vision. Though, when we develop self-centered attitude, our whole mind becomes narrow. When we think about altruistic, about well-being of 7 million human beings, our mind becomes wider. Then you can see the reality. Narrow-minded way, you can't see the reality. So without knowing the reality, all your action then become unrealistic. In order to carry realistic approach, you must know the reality. In order to know the reality, you must look from wider perspective. Otherwise you can't see. Clear? Any unrealistic sort of effort, unrealistic method, result disaster. Okay, thank you.